When I want to export my project to CapCut, it shows exporting error. Let's see how to fix CapCut export error. Go to Menu. Now go to Settings. Click on Performance. Now unselect Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Save now. Now go to Settings. Clear cache. Update your CapCut if possible. After updating CapCut, go to the menu. Now change the file location. Export your project now. After doing this, your export error problem will be fixed.